I have two huge surprises for you guys. Magic Gel is launching a new winter collection and it is packaged in new stunning jars. First, let's take a look at some of the colors. And now let's take a look at the updated jars in this fabulous rose gold color. They're now 7 ml, so you are getting 40% more product at the same price. The advanced geometry of the jars features leak-proof design and enhanced look. You will also find a real gel color swatch on the cap, so you can browse through your gels faster and easier. Join me for a more in-depth overview of the full winter collection and the designs you can create with the colors.